Good afternoon, explorers. This is Steve with Explore ATL, aka your ATL Sherpa. I'm out doing a recon mission for my Atlanta Freedom Trail tour tomorrow, and I wanted to show you something that's new and I think kind of cool here. I'm under the this is, I guess, the overpass for the downtown connector, and I'm on Auburn Avenue, and I wanted to show you a couple things. First of all, this has been here for a while, but they painted a mural of what Auburn Avenue looked like. Looks to me like back in the 20s and 30s, or maybe 30s and 40s, and it runs the entire length of the underpass here. And up above here, they've put these beautiful, they're like streetcar signs. And what they are, they talk about the different landmark buildings that are still standing and that are in the process of being renovated and sort of restored. These are all properties that are historic properties along Auburn Avenue, and that's one of the things we're going to look at on our tour. But I just wanted to show you this beautiful mural here, and they really have created the Sweet Auburn Historic District has created a wonderful sort of self-guided tour with some wayfinding signs, which I'm going to show you. I took pictures of all of them. By the way, here's the Atlanta streetcar coming right through the video, and you can see the electric wires ahead. This is Auburn Avenue, which is part of the line for the Atlanta streetcar, and I'll talk more about that on the tour as well. But just wanted to show you this mural. I thought it was very beautifully done. It's all black and white photos. Takes you back in time, but it's literally photos of Auburn Avenue. It's almost like a panorama photo. I think it's one continuous photo. It's what it looks like anyway. I took a series of photos that I'm going to try to stitch together, but I wanted to show you this video so you could see the whole thing. So I'm coming out on to Fort Street, and I'll show you what Auburn Avenue looks like looking east. If you go a couple blocks that way, that's really one of the historic portions of the street, Auburn Avenue, and that is the direction toward the Martin Luther King Jr. National Historical Park. And I'll show you one more thing that I think is pretty cool. It's the John Wesley Dobbs Plaza and Monument. It's called Through His Eyes, and then I'll leave you with a picture. You see this yellow vertical wayfinding signs there, that stack of signs right there. That's the new signage put up about 6 months ago, I'd say. And that right there in front of you, the sculpture of the head, that is John Wesley Dobbs, known as the mayor of Auburn Avenue. He that beautiful statue is called Through His Eyes, and you can go on the other side and actually go inside of it and see what Auburn Avenue looked like through his eyes, so to speak. So I'll zoom in on that right there so you can see it. Anyway, I'm having a great time. You can feel the history as you walk along Auburn Avenue, and it's truly an honor to be able to do this tour. I'll do some more tours of this area, but if you have a chance, go to atlantafreedomtrail.com and take a look at the virtual tour that I've created there. It includes Sweet Auburn Avenue Historic District, along with 9 other sites that celebrate freedom. And that's all at atlantafreedomtrail.com. So I hope you enjoy that. Anyway, this is Steve with Explore Atlanta. I hope you have a great weekend. And like I say, stay curious and keep exploring.